Congratulations! You've reached the final stage of our Monte Carlo Simulation course. Over the past lessons, we have explored the foundations, applications, and real-world case studies of Monte Carlo methods. Now let's wrap up everything we've learned and look at the bigger picture. Key takeaways from the course. Monte Carlo basics: understanding randomness, probability distributions, and sampling techniques. Core applications: financial modeling, risk analysis, optimization, and scientific simulations. Advanced techniques: Markov chain Monte Carlo, MCMC, variance reduction, and high-performance computing. Real-world impact: Monte Carlo is used across industries, from finance and healthcare to engineering and climate science. Monte Carlo in the future. With the rise of AI, machine learning, and big data, Monte Carlo simulations will continue to evolve. More industries are leveraging these methods for predictive analytics, automation, and decision-making under uncertainty. Next steps for you. Apply Monte Carlo methods in your own projects. Experiment with different distributions and techniques. Explore Monte Carlo implementations in Python, R, or specialized software. A final thought. Monte Carlo simulations remind us that uncertainty is not a barrier, it's an opportunity. By embracing randomness and probabilistic modeling, we can make smarter, more informed decisions in an unpredictable world. Thank you for being part of this journey. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and let Monte Carlo simulations empower your future projects.